Hi everyone, I'm Lena and I'm 11 years old. Today I'm very glad to be here to talk about exploring clouds. So today we're going to talk about clouds. And now let's see what cloud is first. Cloud is a visible body of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air. So in the air, if you look up into the sky, you can see many different clouds. And today we're going to learn about these amazing and really interesting things. These clouds, we're going to even make one of them. So now we have a jar right here. But remember, before we do this experiment, we must have an adult supervision, because if you want to do something dangerous like this in this experiment, we have hot boiling water and also have matches. So if we use if we do this experiment, we must need adult supervision. Okay, so first I have some boiling water here, and it is boiling. It's so hot, and it even have like bubbles in it. And I'm going to put some I'm going to pour it carefully into a jar like this, and then you can see that steam is immediately coming up in parts of the yard. You can see it's cloudier in here, and it's very hard to see. This one is like the steam, and we're going to leave this jar here for a little bit. After a while, we will continue doing our experiment. We will pour the water in this jar into another cup. Just adding more a little bit and then a little bit more so that we can make a cloud out of it. And then we'll close the jar and shake it up so that all the steam, we can clear all the steam in the jar and it won't go away. And now we're going to use some of the matches, and we're going to light it up and drop it in there. Is that cool? Now that we have dropped that match in there, it will be really, really cool. We'll put some ice on top of the lid of the jar. Now we have this here, and we're going to, you can see that it's already forming some water droplets and some clouds too. So these is it's forming, some of this forming the clouds, and you can see tiny droplets from the cloud, and it seems like it's cloudy in here. Look, you can see and observe the cloud is some part of the cloud is flying up, going up from the surface. These clouds are trying to go up into the place where there is more cold, the cold part of the jar. And in the sky, you can see many different kind of cloud. And these clouds, if you see dark clouds like this, you will know that it is going to rain. And you can see here, if I open this jar, like this, can you see clouds going up, coming out of it? And if I cover the lid of it, my hand seems wet. So these clouds, they're very interesting thing that maybe we should want to try. In the sky, sometimes you can see many different kinds of clouds, and these clouds can form from tiny water droplets, or maybe they can form from ice crystals, and some types of clouds form on sunny day. These are also many different kinds of clouds. This one is like, this one looks like a feather. Some look like a feather, but clouds which form on stormy day means that we're going to have a cloud. So if you go out of your house and then you can see, wow, we have some dark clouds today. So that means that a storm is coming, but it's just not there yet. So today we've learned a lot about clouds and we've made clouds together. These are very interesting, right? And you can also see that sometimes they can even form lightning. Well, that's all about my video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.